Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up a WordPress website. So this will be a step-by-step tutorial on installing WordPress, setting up XAMPP local server, and doing the initial configurations before your WordPress website can start working locally on your computer. So let's quickly dive into that. So first, we will be installing XAMPP. So let's quickly search for XAMPP. So I'm using a Mac, so I'll search for XAMPP for MacBook. So you can see here, let me come to install XAMPP. So let's quickly go to the download page. Okay, I think it's blocked from here. Let's click on download here. Okay, so from here you can be able to download XAMPP for Windows, for those using Windows. If you're using a Linux operating system, you can also download for your operating system. But I'm using a MacBook, so this will be an OS X. So we'll be downloading an OS X. So I already have this downloaded on my computer, but I just showed you this so you can be able to download for those watching in the future. So just hit download and so let's quickly do this, hit download. So you get to your download, we will start automatically. So click here. So I'm going to wait. I think there'll be a pop-up for the download. Okay, and you can see here is downloading. So just because I have it, I'm going to cancel this. So after that, we are going to download WordPress. So let's quickly go to WordPress. So remember in the last video, I told you the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So remember we said WordPress.com and WordPress.org are fully different. So WordPress.com is a fully hosted platform, while WordPress.org is a self-hosted platform. This means that WordPress.com takes care of hosting, security, and maintenance for you, while WordPress.org requires you to find your own hosting provider and take care of security and maintenance yourself. So that means we'll be going to WordPress.org since we'll be the ones managing our resources ourselves. So let's go to WordPress.org. So here is WordPress.org. So you can see makes WordPress the open source publishing platform of choice for millions of websites worldwide. So these are the features and beautiful websites they have. It's open source. You can really build good stuff using WordPress. So let's quickly get WordPress. So you can see here, get WordPress. So we'll be installing WordPress. So download WordPress 6.6. So this is the latest version as at now that you're watching this video. So let's quickly download. Thanks for downloading WordPress. So our WordPress is currently downloading now. You can see WordPress is downloading. So now let's go and install our XAMPP. Remember, we are meant to install this. So I already have it in my computer. So this is where we have it. So let's install that. Okay, so like this. So it says the XAMPP cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. So let's eject this. So this happens. So let's go to the security and firewall. So you can see, or if you're using a MacBook, you can go to your security and privacy to enable this. So you can open anyway. So that's what we're going to do. So let's this okay. Okay. Something like when you this instead and then it will be back here. Okay. Okay. So it needs a permission to be verified using my password for it to open. So I think it's going to open right now. So you can see welcome to XAMPP. So just click next, next, next. So our XAMPP is currently installing. So we will while we wait for this, let's check our WordPress and see if it has downloaded. Okay, you can see WordPress has downloaded successfully. Good. So what are we going to do? Let's quickly. So our XAMPP has successfully installed. So let's quickly go to manage servers to turn on the MySQL database and the Apache web server. So this is what allows you run a local server in your computer on your laptop. So for people that don't have domain names or hostings yet, this is how you can be able to run a local server in your computer using XAMPP. So let's quickly start the MySQL database because we need a database for our WordPress website to be able to run. Remember, during the cPanel, we installed a database for our website for it to be able to load up. So that's what we are going to be doing here, but we'll be doing that locally. So now we've successfully turned on our MySQL database. As you can see, it's running, and our Apache web server also is running. So let's quickly go back to welcome and go to applications. So let's click on this. So here is what we have: XAMPP Apache plus MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl. Welcome to XAMPP. So here we can be able to load up our local server here in our browser. So this is the PHP my admin. If you want to access the database, so let's quickly click on this. So as you can see, this is our database. Let's see this. So just quickly, what we'll be doing next is now we have our web server loading up. I will be showing you how you can locate it on your computer. So let's go back to the application. Let's see if we can look it up from here. So let's click on open application folder. So this is where our application is located in our computer. So inside this, we'll be locating a file called htdocs. So this folder is a folder we'll be making use of. So this is where our website will be loading from. So inside this htdocs. So as you can see, this page you're seeing here is loading up from this folder you're seeing in here. So this is the dashboard you can see. Okay. So what we're going to do is to delete all files in here. So that's everything. Let's do trash. Let's quickly delete this. It requires permission to delete. So now all the files in our ht.docs has been deleted. So what I'm going to do is to drag this ht.docs folder as a shortcut in my computer. So this will be a shortcut for me to access this folder easily. So guys, so next up, so let's quickly refresh this page. So let's see what will happen. Let's refresh. So you can see it's not loading up anymore because they deleted all the files in it. So let's just quickly delete this and load the file now. So this is index of, so this shows you that now the local web server is empty and you can now start putting in your own files into it. While this is where we have our PHP my admin for our database. So let's quickly see the link so you can see the link PHP my admin. So what I'll do is to bookmark this page. So that's what I'm going to do. So we always have it here. So then we just bookmark it to the favorites. I don't get to start looking for it all the time. Okay, so the next thing will now be to install WordPress into our local server. That will be the next thing we're going to do. So a quick recap, we were able to download WordPress. We were also able to install XAMPP, our XAMPP server, which will be loading up our website from in this video. So here is the WordPress website file we downloaded, and here is the XAMPP. So I've already extracted the WordPress file. So this is the folder here. So if you let's quickly open it up. So these are the files in our WordPress folder, as you can see. So I think that will be all for this video. Oh, yes, that will be all for this video. In the next video, we'll be setting it up together. Thank you so much.